21 tips to help you organize your kiddos' toys. Wooden crates are an attractive and inexpensive way to store your little one's arts and crafts supplies, especially if you make them yourself. Stacking board games often leads to Jenga-like messes. Pull out one, and they all come tumbling down. Can't spare the closet space? Try swapping those bulky boxes for something a little slimmer. This clever game storage idea spotted on Inferently Creative is a definite decorating do. The trickiest part of any puzzle is holding on to the pieces. Lose even one, and the game is ruined. Need a big picture solution? Take note of this storage idea from Between Three Sisters. Running out of space for all of your little one's furry friends? This adorable and easy to recreate storage hammock, featured on Lemon Squeezy Home, is a great way to display stuffies while making excellent use of vertical space. You can also put those stuffed animals to good use by creating your very own storage SAC, aka stuffed animal chair. This brilliant idea, featured by Thread Riding Hood, comes with free templates and a step-by-step tutorial, so get ready to get your DIY on. Tired of crayons and crafting supplies turning up where they don't belong? This aptly named art cart, featured by Fun with Mama, is the perfect way to organize your kids' art supplies. Simply roll it to wherever your little ones are working. When they're done, tuck the entire cart into a closet. Get your bathroom in shipshape with this simple dollar store hack for organizing bath toys spotted on Cleverly Simple. A low-mounted shower rod keeps toys at arm's reach while self-draining baskets ensure everything stays dry and mold-free. This cleverly repurposed crib rail featured on McKelly makes it easy for toddlers to find their favorite storybooks. Simply set your old crib rail against the wall, secure the top, and drape your kiddos' books over the bars. Living in the land of miniatures? Whether your kids are collecting Shopkins, Num Nums, or Hatchimal Minis, this easy ice cube tray hack, shared by About Kids Toys via Pinterest, is a cool way to display your little one's ever-growing army of miniature collectibles. A galvanized wash bucket turned cozy Ottoman is the ultimate in farmhouse chic, not to mention a pretty nifty place to stash your toddler's toys when you're expecting company. A wooden dowel cut to fit inside of a Tupperware storage box makes storing doll clothes a breeze. This awesome storage idea, shared by Becky K on Pinterest, allows you to preserve all of those trendy little outfits, wrinkle-free while reserving space at the bottom for shoe and other accessories. Marbles, dice, and other small toys have a way of disappearing. Looking for an easy and affordable way to keep track of your little one's tiny treasures? Try this adorable idea from the Sisters Guild. We all love fabric storage bins. It's the price tags that are a little hard to swallow. This adorable DIY costume closet, seen on Rambling Renovators, underwent a striking rehaul, transforming from a tattered old tallboy dresser into a neat and perfectly organized wardrobe fit for a dress-up princess. Portable, stackable, and relatively inexpensive, milk crates make for great toy storage. This classic storage staple receives a quick and easy makeover, courtesy of Caroline of Tupelo Honey, allowing it to double as attractive seating for her daughter's playroom. These beautiful crafting felt storage baskets, spotted on Cozy Little Nest, cost very little and take just minutes to make. Lightweight and flexible, they could even be hung from a row of hooks and mounted above a desk for easy-to-reach craft or Lego storage. Sick of finding the Lego bin dumped out all over the floor? This crazy clever storage bag featured on All Free Sewing is the DIY answer to your parenting prayers. If your kids are older, you may need a more sophisticated solution to the Lego problem. This clever hack shared on Kids Activities blog allows you to separate your building blocks by color or even by individual set. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.